Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to use your phone as a mic on your PC. So, by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. What you need to do is to download DroidCam on your Windows PC. So, you can search it on the search bar and click the first link that will pop up. Scroll down until you see Download Windows Client and click it. So after clicking it, click this link, and after that you can now save it to your desktop. So I'll set it to my desktop, and after downloading, open the DroidCam exe. So just click next, I agree, next, and then you can click install, and then wait for it to finish, and then click finish. Now you can delete this right there and then open this one. After that, on your cell phone, you also need to download DroidCam. So just search DroidCam and then click that, the same as what you have downloaded, and wait for it to finish. After downloading, you can now open it. Just click next. Got it. Then allow camera and audio. You can now see the device IP address. Just put it on here, and then also the DroidCam port. Click start, and then it will connect it to your cell phone. So that is basically how you connect your mic on your phone. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.